Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of online music classes with me, Pawan Mishra. In this episode, we will learn what is rhythm. Rhythm is a very important part in music. Do you know? We all have some natural sense of rhythm. Let's take an example by listening to a song. When you are listening to this song, after a point, you will automatically moving. Some of you might nod. Some of you may tap your feet or clap. So think about this. Why are we clapping in this particular rhythm? Why are we not clapping like this randomly? Rhythm exists everywhere in the universe. There is a rhythm of the heartbeat, such as the ticking of a clock, as does the season of the year, of even the person's gait. In what other situations can you observe the rhythm in nature? Please comment in the comment box below. Rhythm is variation of strong or weak repeated pattern of movement of sounds or silence over time. Like this. To understand rhythm more fully, rhythm is the umbrella which consists of beat, meter, tempo, and duration. The speed of tempo of music is measured in BPM. BPM means beats per minute. The speed of time is called lay. Lay represents the movement of time. In Hindustani music, there are mainly three types of lay. First, Vilambit lay, Madhya lay, and Drut lay. Madhya lay, it is considered as normal speed. It is referred to as the speed of human heartbeat. Vilambit lay, it is considered as half the speed of Madhya lay. And Drut lay, it is considered as the double speed of Madhya lay. The speed slower than Vilambit lay is called Ati Vilambit lay. And the speed faster than the Drut lay is called Ati Drut lay. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in next video.